job by your name. Yeah, fine. Okay. So this is the model that we are using. Okay? You can see the thickness. It's very thick and nice. We didn't mess with it. You got to have a I don't know use well in them. That's a cement in you. No more back. We are mixing the cement. The flat mold. We actually call it this, so